Hello everyone, David Lee here. Last year I started a new passion project that I'm really excited to share with you guys. I am now providing consulting services to schools who are looking to implement design thinking, project-based learning, STEM education, or makerspaces to help transform the education they provide their students. This whole project started when a few schools contacted me to see if I could support them in implementing certain initiatives. In December, I visited a school to help them assess their current makerspace and STEM program and share strategies and approaches that could improve their program moving forward. This summer, I visited a school in Indiana to provide a 2-day workshop on design thinking and project-based learning. I also got the opportunity to become an Apple Professional Learning Specialist last school year, which gives me more opportunities to support schools in Asia. I will still be working full-time at my current school. This is more of just a passion project. I'm really excited about this new chapter in my career, and I hope to share my experiences in partnering up with schools with you on this channel. If you or your school is interested in any of my services, please go to my website at davidleeedtech.org or contact me at davidleeedtech@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for going on this journey with me.